next thing we're going to look at is the expected product by month. So this shown as a summary of what we're expecting in every month for the next while. Okay, so it's just a pivot. Across the top we have the products, so our beet pulp, rapeseed, soya hulls, sunflower seed, barley, maize, wheat, and a total. Down the side we have the year and the months. Okay, so we can expand that out. The dates are selected from here. So this is, if you look at the post date, so it's the contracts dated between those dates. So it's not the availability dates. So if you might need to go back a couple of years or forward a couple of years, depending on which way you want it. Like I've set up this and last and this and next 2 fiscal years. So I'm looking at 2019, 20, 21 and 22 that I've got contracts set up for. And I've got my availability date here down the side, and I can, on my bottom of my graph, so just in summary for the year, I'm expecting 1,650 tons of beet pulp, 1,860 of soya hull or rapeseed, 6,825 soya hulls, etc., etc. Okay, now I can break that down by month if I want to. So I can see the situation for each product in each month. So up here as well. So I've got in January for beet pulp of 100 coming in February of 100, and March of 140, April 130, and so on, right down throughout the year for each product. So we can see where there's gaps. So we can see there's rapeseed. We're not getting any in January, February, but that's probably okay. We've none due in April and May. That might need to be looked into, etc. So you can easily see where there's gaps. You can get totals as well per product and for the year. Okay, and if you expand it out to show the months, then the graph automatically updates to show you the months as well. So you can see it's sort of an easier visual representation of the table above. If you prefer to see things in graphical form, you can see where your quantities are coming in. If you want to get rid of some of the time on it, just change your dates. Okay, so that gives us an idea of what's due in. You could change that to a line if you wanted to, if you prefer that. It's easier to see for each product. Depends on what way you prefer looking at it. I personally find bar column easier to see, easier to review. So, any questions on